Kovostroj Dobšina is nestled in the beautiful natural setting of the Slovak Paradise National Park. Our plant features a sophisticated logistics system which includes the use of a truck network and our own railway siding connecting to the state railroad network. The first air conditioning components left our factory 40 years ago. Now, after 25 years, we have expanded our services to the production of various types of profiles. Our engineering and manufacturing departments allow us to flexibly react to the needs of our customers and to introduce new types of profiles into production in the shortest time possible. With an annual output of 30,000 tons, we belong to the largest manufacturers of galvanized steel profiles in Slovakia. 80% of our production consists of exports, and from that, 50% is exported to German-speaking countries. These figures speak not only for the quality of our production, but also about our effective customer service and affordability. Our goal is to provide customers services of the highest quality.